Hey everybody, Cheryl here with Hawthorne Acupuncture and Integrative Medicine. I just wanted to take a little bit of time to discuss a topic that I've worked with a lot over the years, and that is fertility. Fertility is very interesting from a Chinese medicine standpoint because yes, there's stuff that going on with your cycle. There might be stuff going on with ovulation, and we focus on a lot of that stuff. But oftentimes, there are things going on with fertility that might be what Western medicine might see as unrelated. Okay. So every time I get a new fertility patient in, we do spend some time on stuff that's happening outside of the uterus, i.e., what's happening with your sleep, your stress, your digestive system, your heart. You getting any heart palpitations, difficulty sleeping, anxiety. And a lot of times, what we'll do is I can only speak for myself here. I spend a lot of time thinking about someone's digestive system because oddly enough, your digestive system is part of the thing that you get your nutrition in, and that will help to nourish every aspect of your body, including your uterus and your cycles. Okay, so hey, so I would just want to kind of give you a little example of what I'm talking about. And this was one of my slam dunk cases for fertility. This happened about 2 years ago. I had a patient coming in to try to get pregnant. She's been trying for 5 years. Her and her husband have been trying for 5 years. And they tried naturally for a while. And then after they did natural, they moved on to what's called an IUI. For those of you who don't know, it's essentially insemination. So you schedule when you're ovulating, and then you get inseminated, and then we hope for a positive pregnancy. So it's the step past trying naturally for a lot of people. So they had done IUIs for quite some time, and they never took. And because of religious reasons, they decided they didn't want to do IVF, which is, I respect everyone's choice in every matter on how they want to proceed with their fertility journey. So it was kind of just IUIs. And she reluctantly came in to my office. She wasn't sure about like what we are, what we do, that kind of thing. So anyway, my job isn't to convince her, except through helping her get pregnant. But we went through a whole history, and basically everything seemed fine, but her digestive system was wacky. Okay. She had run to the bathroom a lot, and food, she was just sensitive to different kinds of foods, but never really paid any attention to it. And no one up until this point had ever told her that what her digestive system was doing wasn't normal or not right. That's a whole nother talk about our food in this country and how we eat and our digestive system and what's considered normal or not, but that's not actually the point of this live. But what we did observe is that she had a really hard time digesting food and had some urgency and stomach pain and whatnot. So I had to kind of let her know, like, hey, if we're doing fertility stuff, this needs to get fixed first. And if this gets fixed first, there's a good chance that this is going to be the thing that's going to help you. Sure enough, I took all the fun out of her diet. Her words, not mine. We worked on her diet a lot, and we worked on acupuncture points and herbal formulas to really help her digest things a little bit better. And within 2 months, that's it. That's all she took. Within 2 months, she found out she was pregnant, and she was actually pregnant with 2 babies. So we kind of went into overdrive with her system a little bit, and went on to deliver 2 beautiful, beautiful boys. So it's amazing. And just knowing that process, and that's not everybody. When you come into the office for fertility, you're you. I look at you as you, and what do you need? And in this person's case, she needed a lot of work with the digestive system. Let's see here. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. So different formulas are great for it. Pingwei-san is an amazing formula for it. And digestive system, it's usually one of the first questions I ask about outside of like anything obvious. Do you ovulate? Do you not ovulate? Do you have periods? Do you not have periods, right? Do you have crippling anxiety? I mean, all these things are really important. And so that's how acupuncture, regardless of what you're doing for your actual fertility, that's the cool thing about what acupuncture can do for an individual is we can look outside the box a little bit more, and we have amazingly valid, beautiful treatments to help people get pregnant, even doing other therapies like IUI and IVF, and then just, tracking your cycles and trying to get pregnant the natural way. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Thanks so much for being part of my live. New venue for me, but I intend to do this much more often. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Have a great Halloween, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.